How to use Walmart Visa gift card on Amazon. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to use Walmart Visa gift card on Amazon. So to use the Walmart Visa gift card on Amazon, it is just a way of using it as a way of payment method while purchasing an item. So it's very simple. All you need to do is make sure that you have a Visa debit card. Make sure it is also a prepaid gift card. So then to begin with, open up a browser, log into your Amazon.com. Once you're logged into your Amazon account, you'll have to select the particular product that you wish to purchase. So just go ahead and open up the page and select the product that you wish to add it to your cart or that you wish to buy it. Once you've found the product, just tap on the product page, select the item that you wish to add it to cart or that you wish to purchase. Now scratch in, go to click on add to cart from the top right hand side corner of this page. After that, you'll be able to see the checkout page. So once you've added the product to your cart, you'll be able to see right at the bottom the particular payment method. So right on the payment method, you can just simply go ahead and enter in your gift card details. So first of all, you need to select Visa, and after that you need to enter in the details of that particular card. So basically you'll have to provide in a card number, the expiry date, the security code, your PIN, and all sort of details. Once done entering all of that detail, then you've successfully redeemed or use your Visa gift card on Amazon. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.